Hello, welcome to the Test Tutor. Today we'll discuss the Naglieri Nonverbal Ability Test, second edition, otherwise known as the NNAT2. So let's begin by examining the NNAT test format and question types. The NNAT2 is the new and revised edition of the NNAT multi-level form. It's designed to measure general intellectual ability as a predictor of academic success in children in grades K through 12. It uses nonverbal methods in the form of figure matrices. As a nonverbal test, it requires no verbal reading or math skills, making it a fair assessment of ability regardless of culture or language. The test is comprised of 7 levels spanning grades K through 12. The table shown details the test levels based on grade. The NNAT2 is administered to a group of children either with paper and pencil or on the computer. Students have 30 minutes to complete 48 questions. Each question will be one of 4 types: pattern completion, reasoning by analogy, serial reasoning, or spatial visualization. Here is an example of pattern completion. As the easiest type of question to solve, pattern completion questions will be found primarily in the lower grade levels. The child will be presented with a rectangular design containing a missing piece. To solve the puzzle, the child must look at the design with a missing piece and select the answer that completes the pattern. For instance, in this example, the child must recognize that the only correct answer is the solid red box, answer C. In a reasoning by analogy exercise, the child will be presented with 2 or 3 rows of objects that comprise a matrix. The child must recognize how objects within the columns and rows change as one moves across or down the matrix. In this example, the black star changes into a white star when it moves across the row. By applying the same logic to the second row, we recognize that the black hexagon must change into a white hexagon. Therefore, the correct answer is D. In a serial reasoning exercise, the child must recognize how the shapes in the matrix change across the rows and down the columns. As the shapes change from row to row and column to column, each shape appears only once in each row and column. For example, the circle, triangle, and diamond shapes move across the rows and down the columns in such a way that we know the missing shape in the last row is the triangle, answer B. Because spatial visualization exercises are the most difficult exercises in the NNAT2, they will be found primarily in the upper grade level tests. To solve these exercises, the child must determine what 2 or more designs would look like if they were combined. In this example, if the 2 green triangles in the second row were combined, they would look like answer C. Our NNAT2 practice workbook contains 85 exercises for students in grades K through 12. Feel free to contact us via email or phone if you have any questions about our products. Thank you for watching and good luck on your upcoming test.